Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use a BOA, that is Bank of America digital card. First you need to get a digital card, then you need to add it to mobile wallet. Now to get a digital card, if you're an existing Bank of America customer, you can simply access it via Bank of America mobile app. Check on their cards and then select digital wallet. If you're a new user, you have to apply for a card online or using the mobile app, then enable the digital version. So the second thing is to add it to mobile wallet. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. How? Open your wallet app, any of this wallet app we've mentioned, whether Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, and then tap Add Card and follow the prompts. Now, if it's for Bank of American app, go to the Manage Cards and then select Add to Digital Wallet. Next, you can make payments online and in-store. Select your Bank of America digital card at checkout via Tap to Pay or manually entering details. For ATM withdrawals, you can use cardless ATM access via app-generated code at supported Bank of America ATMs. Then when you look at security and management, instantly lock your card in the Bank of American app if it is lost. That is, freeze and unfreeze it. Simple for security purpose. Then you get real-time alerts, so you can get notifications for all transactions. Now, if your card is being declined, what do? You can check the balance, expiring, or digital wallet compatibility. If your phone is lost, what do? Remotely disable the card via Bank of America's app or website. Here's a pro tip. Use virtual card number. You see them in the app for safer online shopping. Hope you found this video helpful.